It really is about how people work and what they need to get done when they work. And so how do manufacturers design for that? What Knoll does is they do a lot of research on the front end. You've got three different generations in the same workspace. You have the boomers who are nearing retirement age. You have the Gen X kind of in that middle there, but then you have the Gen Y who are coming in out of college going, you know what, I just need a place to plop for right now. So Knoll looks at the research they've done and then they say, how do we create spaces or give people options to accommodate the workers?
That whole Dilbert Cube thing, really a thing of the past.
In the late 70s, it was a radical concept moving from private office. They went kicking and screaming into the open plan. The kids who are coming out of college now, they're perfectly fine. They would probably prefer this versus being isolated in a private office. So having this systems approach gives people that flexibility. You can try to accommodate people who want more privacy in the same space that people want to collaborate or be more open.
We see that in workstation screens versus panels. Not only are they tactile-acoustical, you can also have them just as screening. So you're delineating a boundary, but you're not pinning somebody in. Mobility is a big key. You know, everything has casters, chairs, tables. Keeping panel heights low allow you to not even get out of your chair and really talk to each other. Height adjustability, you know, some people like to stand and work versus sit and work.
Customer can choose for their employees in that same space, allow them to customize and give them more control.
Good ideas happen instantaneously, but with young people, they love to just touch down and have that collaboration happen anytime. So these happy accidents happen as you walk by my desk and have a sit there, or you see this open space here and you all group around here. The accidental opportunity to collaborate or converse on something is really important to that generation. Research is happening all the time at Knoll. We have one-page briefs, we have white papers, and those are all available on our website as well.
What our customers are asking us for is to be more than just about the furniture and about service. They're asking us to bring things of value that will help them and support them. And they're asking for our expertise. And that is what we have to do here at RJE and Knoll, is bring that to our customers.